Welcome to the channel, everybody. In today's project I'm going to show you how to make homemade body scrub, okay, with brown sugar and olive oil. If you're looking for an easy and affordable way to exfoliate your skin, making your home body scrub with brown sugar and olive oil is a great option. Brown sugar, as we all know, is a natural exfoliant that helps remove dead skin cells and improve circulation, while olive oil is a natural moisturizing agent that leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth. So in this project, we're going to use 1 cup of brown sugar, half cup of olive oil. Then we're going to use vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract, or use essential oil of choice. I recommend lavender, a few drops. So this is how we're going to make it. This is the type of body scrub you use, okay, before you shower. So basically it's not the emulsified type. The oil is still present there, but it's just going to condition your skin before you take a shower. So what we're going to do now is to get the clean bowl, pour the brown sugar into the bowl, followed by the 1 cup of brown sugar, followed by half cup of olive oil. Then you're going to mix both together. Once both have mixed well together, then you want to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure you go for pure vanilla extract. Do not go for the imitation one. This is going to give you a beautiful aroma. In addition to that, finally we're going to add our essential oil. So I recommend lavender essential oil. Add 5 drops of lavender essential oil. Mix it very well and transfer this into a clean jar. Okay, we're not going to add any more ingredients here. We want the super moisturizing power of olive oil and the exfoliating power of brown sugar to do the exfoliation for us. So this is body scrub. This is not for the face because of the texture, so I don't recommend you use this for the face because of the texture. Okay, so what you're going to do is to transfer into a jar of your choice, a clean jar. So how do you use it? Wet your skin, okay? Make sure you use this in the shower. Wet your skin and scoop out small amount of this body scrub at a time. Scrub it on the, massage it in a circular motion on the skin gently, because you can see the texture of the sugar is a bit tough, so you don't want to force it. You're going to massage it gently all over the skin. Okay, then you will rinse your skin with warm water. Okay, so in case you don't want to shower right away, what you can do is, after rinsing your skin with warm water, then you want to pat your skin dry. You can also use this without showering directly. You can just shower with it, pat skin, rinse it off with warm water and pat the skin dry. Okay, and that is it. Just make sure you use soap to clean your shower after, because at that time it's going to be a bit slippery, so be careful when you are working with this. Okay, make sure you use soap to clean your shower after because of the olive oil. Okay, so what you can also do for this amazing body scrub is that you can customize the scent. Okay, we use pure vanilla extract. You can use other extract of your choice, or you can use different essential oil like peppermint essential oil, for instance. Okay, If you want the sugar to be a bit, the texture to be a bit fine, you can also use fine sugar. But this kind is the best that you want for this body scrub. Okay, so now you make sure you do. You can also use this body scrub for hand and for the foot. So it's very, very useful for hand, for scrubbing the hand and the foot. Make sure you do a patch test before you use any skincare product on your entire body. Okay, by making your own homemade body scrub, you need to keep in mind, okay, that you will enjoy this benefit of any ingredient that you put in there. For this one, we're going to enjoy the benefit of the exfoliating benefit of the brown sugar and the moisturizing benefit of olive oil. Okay, that's about it. And the good thing about this is that there's no harsh chemical in this. There's no artificial fragrances in the, that you normally find in store-bought body scrub. Plus, it's a fun DIY project. You know exactly what goes into the product you use, and a peace of mind comes with it. So if you love this project, give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified of my next video. So this body scrub, I recommend that you keep it in the fridge and you use it within 2 days. Do not keep it out of the fridge. As you all know, sugar is a natural, just like honey is a natural mold magnet. It's going to attract mold to your product if you keep it out of the fridge. So you don't want to keep it out of the fridge. You want to make sure this is in the fridge and you use it within 2 days. And if your skin is reacting to this, you want to make sure you stop, just like any beauty product. Once you have any reaction to it, you make sure you stop it. And when you are using it, make sure you rub it gently on the skin in a circular manner. Thank you so much for joining me. In my next video, we are going to do another amazing DIY project. Okay, if you want to learn how to make beauty products, head over to our website at stablecosmeticformulas.com. That's where we teach people how to make beauty brand owner and homemade or based formulator, how to make beauty products a project at a time. Thanks so much for joining me, as I'm going to see you in my next video.